Now, our top story today. People have been reportedly seeing others that look exactly like them. When this event occurs, anyone who sees the clone, for lack of a better word, immediately becomes extremely uncomfortable and exits the area. We are not
There is no current emergency. Pay attention to the following message. This is a National Information Center issued by the President and Department of Homeland Security. Recently, there have been several sightings of creatures that appear to nearly perfectly resemble humans, with only minute differences visible. We have not been able to confirm these reports, as they are few and far between. We ask that if a member of the public sees whatever this phenomenon could be, they call our special hotline, 115. That is all for now. Updates will be broadcast when new information is gathered.